Now let's talk about arrays. An array is one of the most fundamental data structure in computer science. In its simplest form, an array is a linear collection of elements where each element can be accessed by an index. The indexes represent the position of the element in array. The first element of the array is at index 0 and the second element is at index 1 and so on. In Python, we don't have built-in support for arrays, but we can use list data type, which is more general version of arrays. However, for numerical operations, Python provides a powerful package, NumPy, which supports arrays and matrices along with a large collection of high-level mathematical functions to operate on this structure. Let's see how we can create an array using Python list. Okay, so in our project I will create a new Python file and I will name it array demo. Okay, as I said, we can create an array using Python list. Array. Okay, here I've got an array which contains element 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. I can access element by using index. Print element at index 0. And let's see element and index 2. Okay, let's try to run our code. Okay, I see that there is syntax error in fifth line. Okay, I will try to run our Python script again. And yes, we can see that element at index 0 is 10 and element at index 2 is 30.